I am a little worried about my future. What happened? Why are you suddenly so worried? I don't understand whether I am going in the right direction or not. Why do you feel that way? Everyone is moving forward, and I feel like I am left behind. Don't compare yourself with others, but sometimes comparison happens automatically. Everyone's journey is different. I am not clear about my career either. Have you ever sat down and thought seriously about it? No, I just keep working. You should set clear goal. What if the goal turns out to be wrong? No decision is permanent. What do you mean? If the path doesn't feel right, you can change it. I am afraid of failing. Failing is also part of learning. Sometimes my confidence also goes down. Confidence comes from practice. Have you never felt like this? Yes, I have, but I didn't give up. What did you do? I started working on my weaknesses. And did it make a difference? Yes, gradually I started seeing improvement. Maybe I should also make a plan. Absolutely, progress is difficult without a plan. From today, I will write down my goals. That's the right beginning. Thank you. I feel better after talking to you. Friends are always there for each other. Now I feel a little relieved. That's the benefit of talking things out. Earlier, I used to keep everything inside. But suppressing emotions is not good. Now I will try to change my mindset. Positive thinking makes a big difference. I will give some time daily for my self-growth. This habit will take you forward. And I will stop comparing myself with others. When you focus on yourself, success will come automatically. Truly, today's conversation was very important for me. Whenever you feel troubled, just talk to me.